channel. Today we are going to making guacamole. I will show you how to make guacamole. Okay, we have everything is here, yani onion, tomato and cilantro fresh. Okay, lemon, we use fresh lemon, we not use lemon juice. Okay, we use fresh lemon. We have avocado. Okay, let's start from avocado. Now guys, we remove from skin guacamole, avocado, sorry. And then just further aroma. Okay. Now we have onion also. We just make it mash. Okay. We just make it mash. Okay. We mash already. Okay, avocado. Now we are going to put half teaspoon salt. Okay, half teaspoon salt, and then half teaspoon black pepper, not too much. Okay, half. We need to mix again. And then we just splash the lemon, that's it. Okay, this fresh lemon. Enough, no need too much, just for the taste. Again we start mixing. Now guys, our guacamole is ready. Okay, this is the check how look like. Very nice. Just now I am going to testing. Okay, very delicious, very nice, fantastic. Thank you so much guys. Thank you for watching my video. Please like, subscribe and share. Thank you so much. See you next video.